Hello everyone, this is Simran Shivdasani and I am going to review one more Reddit story. The title is very creepy by the way. My mother-in-law has a plan to take my unborn child. That is so scary. मतलब now as a woman मेरे friends के बच्चे हैं and I can't believe that anyone can go through this. But as I said earlier, we will not judge our stories by the titles. So first we'll get into the story. Come on. I am due with my first baby in about 2 months and I'm feeling extremely uneasy about my mother-in-law being around once she's born. I hope you are ready for this. We are. When we first told her I was pregnant, she was overjoyed, crying tears of happiness. Not long after, we moved into a new place and she came to help. She asked to stay for a night or two and ended up staying 2 months straight without ever asking. She basically lived on our couch. Okay, appreciate that your mother-in-law is coming to stay at your place and she ended up staying 2 months. That is too much. Honestly, that is too much for me as well. As many of you know, those first week of pregnancy are tough, mood swings, exhaustion, hormones. I don't know this, but yeah, I've heard of all of this and I know it. Okay, pregnancy stuff. That's why I'm not going through it. I'll admit my patient was thin, but she pushed every button. 2 days before my birthday, she completely lost it on me, calling me names, accusing me of trapping her son, telling me to go F myself. We kicked her out only for her to show up again uninvited on my birthday, refusing to apologize. Instead, she told me she doesn't apologize to cunts and only makes improvements through actions. Against my better judgment, I gave her another chance because the idea of her being cut off from my baby caused a lot of tension with my husband. Okay, so first of all, you're pregnant. You don't want this negativity babe around you. You don't want this. ठीक है, she came in to help and she stayed for 2 months. Okay, I get it. Maybe वो उनको बहुत था कि I will take care of my daughter-in-law, but showing up and uninvited on birthday and calling names, saying cunts and fuck yourself, that is not something you should tolerate. मतलब not even from your mother-in-law or anyone. कोई भी disrespect you're tolerating, you're disrespecting yourself because you're tolerating that disrespect. मतलब you're allowing that person कि वो तुम्हें कुछ भी बोले तो तुम अपनी disrespect रहे हो ना, अगर तुम tolerate कर रहे हो उसको तो. And yes, of course, कुछ भी टेंशन होगा between you and your mother-in-law, your husband will always caught up with that क्योंकि एक जगह है wife, एक जगह है माँ, and that is a terrible situation for any guy. So you have to give her a chance, but not like that. No one can call you these names, especially your in-laws. They should respect you definitely because you also respect them. Since then, she is constantly referred to my unborn child as my baby, which she has always made me uncomfortable. Recently, my brother-in-law's girlfriend told me just how far things have gone. My mother-in-law has been talking badly about me for months, even secretly filming me in my own home and twisting it to make me look bad. She called me a thief for moving cash from her desk to deposit into a shared account. Worse, she's been telling people my child is hers. Oh my god. Okay. I don't like how this is going. I mean, calling the baby that it's hers, it's the end of thing. एक चीज़ है that you are cussing and your mother-in-law is cussing you and saying bad words, but this is a different thing कि she's saying that your baby is her baby. That is not true. जिसके womb में बच्चा होता है वो ही उसकी माँ होती है. तो she should get this, I hope. The most disturbing part, my brother-in-law's girlfriend told me that my mother-in-law has an actual plan tried to take custody of my baby. What? According to her, my mother-in-law intends to create situations that would drive me away from my husband, leaving the baby behind. She would then try to make my husband look unfit to parent as well, giving her power to go to court for custody. This is too much. Too much negativity, too much tension to be around when you're pregnant, babe. Too much. This is too much. The fact that she has made a plan, एक plan बना रखा है so that you guys are unfit parents and she can take the custody. This is insane. This is creepy and insane. I can't understand what they're going through, but I definitely know that this is very very creepy and insane, and no one should go through this thing. No one. पहले यू आर प्रेगनेंट, एज वी ऑल नो प्रेगनेंसी के साथ काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आती हैं यार, हॉर्मोन्स चेंज होते हैं, मेंटली चीज़ें चेंज होती हैं, फिजिकली चीज़ें चेंज होती हैं, उसके बाद इतने कलेश नहीं जचते भाई, नहीं चाहिए इतने कलेश. आई डोंट नो, पीपल वुड से कि ये गलत ओपिनियन है, बट ये मेरा ओपिनियन है. आई वुड चूज़ टू वॉक आउट ऑफ दैट हाउस और दोज पीपल जो इतना कुछ सोचें हमारे लिए. बिकॉज यार, बीइंग अ मदर, बीइंग प्रेगनेंट ऑलरेडी इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इतने सारे कलेश नहीं आ सकते लाइफ में, इतने सारे कलेश डेफिनेटली नहीं आ सकते लाइफ में, ऑनेस्टली. I can't describe how terrifying this feels as the first time mom. Oh my god, this is terrible. This is terrifying. I don't want her anywhere near my baby. Of course you won't. I don't even trust her to hold her because in the back of my mind I fear she might harm her. The problem is my husband and his brother are used to her behavior. She acted like this their whole lives and they tend to soften and forgive, which lets her keep doing these things without consequence. That makes it hard for me to draw a firm line, especially since it's his mother. So I get it, now I get it. Why she's reacting like this? Because ये वाला behavior किसी ने उनको बोला ही नहीं, किसी ने टोका ही नहीं है, ये वाला बिहेवियर इनकरेज करा गया है. चाहे हस्बैंड ने करा हो, चाहे हस्बैंड के ब्रदर ने करा हो, बट ये वाला बिहेवियर इनकरेज करा गया है. एंड दैट्स वाई शी डजंट नो हाउ टू what's her business. She doesn't know how to mind her business. I don't know what the right next step is, but I do know is my priority is protecting my baby, and right now I don't feel safer with anywhere near us. Okay, I get it. I get the fact कि you want to protect your baby. I get it कि your mother-in-law has always been like this, and ये वाला behavior encourage करा है आपके husband ने या आपके brother-in-law ने, but that doesn't give her the right to do this. Of course it doesn't. This is very creepy. Honestly this is very creepy. मैं बहुत सारी stories पढ़ती हूँ Reddit पे, and this is one of the creepiest stories I've ever read. And you should draw a firm line. You are a mother who needs to protect your baby. Of course this is your mama instincts होती है भाई, ये कि अपना बच्चा प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं औरतें, and they have to do it. ऐसे लोगों से तो प्रोटेक्ट करो भाई, ऐसे लोगों से करना ही चाहिए. We have an update on this story. Let's see what's the update.